Golegi, Gonyani Edo te sepo, Yisibikisha Yale Yobada, Yidupo, Yipukopo, no Anyanini, Yobada Yoda, Yamupapua, Wilada Yoda, Yadupotapo, Le Podomukudokwa, La Wane, Hippocapo, Nupuwe, Ama, no, Exaya Bupula, and I have about Australia, I put over that loot. Awane te chilwini de talali hati la jenyo la no weba ki kwita ki tunwi da keke ne we hewa pini pacho chowa na ne ke we hi bu kapo na to gonya ne yedo te ki wera ta te che di do le tu kala pela no weba tabune yepo kala do na wa do ni wata sal khane le bu te sinya ba pla metabula apela no weba pune awela no wechi khota atapu pini ne tipo kana apa kwena khamene muta atargai awale tugla ne awale chagiti wi hakira doni batasa le makwa thwi hakile tasahi loda bale darale emergency ne loda tidra tele akile ne plua no akile ne damage nane marthiba na kanyata akora ke akeweta akora ke padutka do pini ne awadunu awata lugo puro para nage dilele ane marthina mina mi kwale do tete ane oteta la pilapu no leta pita mana dale mani pe marthiba nage dilele ane pa ala legsasibu do pini butebya ta potu kiza pata putra do buti shimyo kala ale kopu kotle na drumudra mila kopu yatir pas bachipa do dota na dititi nyato titiba sona ta weni ni kenya tani phanya pe bale emergency ni the blood set the bini dole la kigani tiba le weni ke weta gai mana ala apuri ya ke we adu dole la kini itenya le te laptopu mi kwale tidra te dilele ni awaduni ba kweta kitaba da etia talen le kapuni te pya gba dile han kene pya do ti pagana go awatewe da takele msibu sayale kisa mata la lulola da temi tila dilele no kene tinyale takele ni kisa mati na baye yura tanale adilele ni na le takele ni ke saya mawati tu da keke ni kwa no porque awa kichadi keke agi bale purali akona ke ba la ba sai tna ke da ba follow wek tidra ba ori giti tile khila ta bo okay kwa we akichata le koplo agar khane awene plura cho wilakina le thawara music diploma na ni certificate bachana de marale atlu wani wa ale marale tamaga oro ite ale kesaya toluna le ne tasura sawen magianda umu yido da wa kanya ne maneta wani ne balle gita wani akone da ite pia le ne certificate ole tamalakcha le matilama ani ba te bata chiba bai chumu nya dia wa ma wa chale dia tabno le to ma ta cha medinin na kire chumu lele kesaya oruane ani odalumo ani bata chita wa loro ba ada inat patele awe atlele amani weni agaballe wena atlele amani wera awele wetle le agar bo khone da kekeni ko kwa ma wasumenya tilena.
Hey, what's up, y'all? So basically, before I start this vlog, I just wanna say it's been like a really tough few months for me, for a lot of people didn't know this, but like 2 months ago my life was just normal, and then I started like, after I got my vaccine and stuff, I started getting reaction to my body, and then my body started swelling up and stuff, so I went to the doctor, and like I got my blood test, and then turns out that I had a kidney problem, and it was really serious, and I had to do, just fast forward, I just had to do like a lot of surgery. I had to do a surgery, and then I I didn't know if I was gonna get back to, like living normal again, playing soccer or doing all those things I love, because I love like going out a lot, and I was living really wild. And it turns out my kidney was messed up, and the blood vessel to my kidney wasn't working properly. I had like leakage on my I had kidney leakage, so anything I ate or drink was just going to the wrong place, and my body was swelling up really bad. And these past few months has just been like recover. First of all, I want to thank God, because it was like just prayers, and it's amazing how so many people prayed for me, from my church to like people in Thailand, and then my relatives. Everybody was praying for me because it was really bad. We didn't know if I was like gonna be normal again. Every time I went outside, like my body swelled up, and it was really tough for me, especially being somebody that like loves going out, love riding motorbike, love going four-wheel driving, just being out all the time, late nights and stuff. And it was just hard. So, but during this 2 months, like I've learned a lot, and God talked to me a lot, and I managed to like even sober up for 2 months. Well, I had no choice, but it just made me think a lot clearer and what I want to do and what I want to focus on when I get better. So I just thought, why not like just start vlogging when I get better, like just do things that's not going to be too much on my body, while I'm still recovering. So I'm just thinking of like starting this vlog, and I hope you guys like it. And with everything we do, like the start is not going to be the best, but I promise I'm going to try my best and be consistent. And this is going to be my 2022 New Year like focus. One of my focus I think is definitely going to be vlogging and trying to get back into music, but I'm not going to force anything. I just want to like let everything fall into its own place and do its own thing. Let life does its own thing. And but I just want to say thank you to all the friends that showed love, came, bring me food while I was out for 2 months, and this is probably the first time that I'm gonna go out again, and it's exciting, so I thought I might just vlog it. I'm gonna go fishing in a bit. I'm waiting for my friends right now, so I'm just gonna try and vlog it and enjoy the fresh air and enjoy being outside again. Thanks, y'all.
Okay, titilana possible kisah doma ada possible ba web filter do PPI ba da wani jada labasupa wani di aku na disemia data popo kelle da tupa kera la da ane trampasi da lemela utapo awata tupa kera da buti swimyo kelle letinaba blue leda tupa ko kai odogi da ba na possible gitu ko wade mau saya melea da ti le ni tola to le kito kisik le kaluba kito kisiki le kaluba iwa ko wade da sagi sawana tabi ko